Everyone knows Dubai for its luxury malls, tall towers, and futuristic skyline, but few tourists know that just a few kilometers away lies a different side of Dubai, one that still whispers the stories of the past. In Al Fahidi, time slows down. This area is one of the oldest traditional neighborhoods in Dubai, with buildings made from coral, stone, and bamboo. The iconic twin towers were an ancient form of air conditioning, used long before electricity arrived. Interesting fact: before air conditioning, people used twin towers to stay cool, even in 45 degrees Celsius heat. Long before the discovery of oil, Dubai's economy depended on the Dubai Creek. Dhows carried spices, textiles, and pearls across the Arabian Gulf, and locals would gather here to trade stories and goods. Interesting fact: divers would risk their lives in deep waters just to find one valuable pearl. Deira is home to the famous gold souk and spice souk. Decades ago, gold was traded by weight, not price tags. Merchants still shout prices and wrap saffron and frankincense in brown paper, just like the old days. Just across the city, you'll see the tallest buildings, luxury cars, and billion-dollar real estate. But here in Old Dubai, you'll find the roots of a city that grew from humble beginnings into a global icon. So next time you visit Dubai, don't just look up at the towers, take a step back in time.